Nehemiah in on his day off.
He said he's gonna try to get it Wednesday. Get it ready for Wednesday.
It was, but he said give you $100.
Exactly how it was.
I'll give you $100. You come in and put my steering wheel on. Alright, Wednesday morning. Had race start on this yesterday. Got the motor off the stand, transmission hooked up, starting on the headers. What else you got left to do, Red, besides headers?
Put the blower on it. Switch out the intercooler.
Do you still have to switch out the bolts for the valley cover?
Yeah. I got them in the box. Yeah, just a couple more things and then we go in the car.
So Ray says that what type of bolts were those? The button heads?
Yeah.
So these bolts are too high for the supercharger, so we're switching them out. That way the supercharger can actually clear it, no problem. And we'll see how it goes. We also have valve covers from MotionWorks that we're going to be putting on this. They'll look really good instead of these stock ones. Definitely look a lot better, especially with the black supercharger. And also got the MotionWorks catch can as well. Oh shit, there we go. Ooh. What heads are those? Oh, that's for the donk, huh?
I think so. The Wivelly.
What's that one? The top one?
Valve cover set. And Johnson lifters.
Nice.
Piece of dog pills.
Already recording.
What's good, y'all? It's Wednesday. This is my first day in the shop, kind of like at 9-10 in the morning. I just came because I was checking my email on parts, like I've been talking on the internet. Please, everybody, man, leave me be, but I want to come inventory everything. We got a big shipment. We got Detroit Speed stuff for the 69 Chevelle LT5 swap. These are the heads for the donk. Finally, now we can build our fucking new motor that we've been vaguely talking about. These are the valve covers for that. TCM in North Carolina. This is for cold air kit for LS3 Trailblazer. We got a bunch of Johnson lifters. These are the hottest commodity in the game right now. We have 10 sets of those. We have Moser Engineering. We got 9-inch for 71 El Camino. This is some of the parts for it. And got inventory of shit. So we are getting things, in a little bit at a time. It's so hard to inventory. Look at this shit. It comes in pieces. This is the axles. This is the hardware kit, but we have no center section and we have no carrier. So this is how things are coming in right now, and we want to chronicle this and explain it to you guys, so you guys know. Like, look, just it is what it is, man. We're getting shit as it comes in, and we got to inventory the shit. And it's hard to one order for a rear end comes in 4 pieces, and we only get 2 of the 4. What are we supposed to do? So, anyways, the way of the world. We are continuing to work, even though I'm not in the building. These guys are all working, and we'll talk to y'all later. Go fuck yourselves if you don't believe us.
Yeah.
Then I gotta call
So these are all for the V?
CTS-V. Just the gaskets here. The rest is for a different car. Huh?
Okay, the Sunday boxes I left in here?
What are these for?
For Lotus WS6. That's for Allen's oil pan. Parts on top of part. These are the bungs for the valve covers. So this is when we put Motion Raceworks on boosted applications. You gotta have O2 bungs welded onto the valve covers. Excuse me. So I ordered a shitload of them from ICT. So we have, this is I think 12, so we can do 6 sets heads this way.
Nice.
Let's get a rivet this shit on.
Damn, so these are riveted into those holes?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy.
That way it's easier to, when you pull the blower off, you don't have to deal with the gasket like coming off and shit.
Again.
Yeah. Okay, so that, everything's lined up.
Oh, at first I thought they went into these holes right here.
No, that's
I was like, that don't make no sense.
That's where the main bolt goes.
I wonder what was right here.
That had a little dip in it to clear the breather. There's like a breather on the valley cover. So they do that to get more volume. Better airflow. Now to see if the fucking goes on
see one? So we need to have, they're button what?
Button head ones?
Button head bolts, just to clear the supercharger.
This shit's annoying. That's from from that nigga. Yeah, that's Christian shit. About to put that shit over there. Then I gotta put all the fucking sensors back on it. What was that?
You need help? So with the last valley plate bolts, or valley cover bolts, it was making it just teeter enough to where it wouldn't fit. So that's why we had to go with the button heads.
Good now.
So you can see, you really don't have shit for room in between that. Do you still have to wait for the pulley for this too?
No, I think the pulley is right here.
All right. Oh wow. That looks nice. So just to show you guys, this is how thin the factory heat exchanger is. And this is the new Weapon X. You can see how much of a big difference that'll make. But I think we're gonna cut it off for today. Got a few more things that Ray is gonna get done tomorrow, and then we'll be up there. So, gotta wait for a gasket, do plugs and wires tomorrow. What else we got? We got
that's mainly it.
the you said catch can too, right?
Yeah, but I'm gonna do that once the motor's in the car.
Yeah, you just wanted to make sure that you get the spark plugs and wires done before you even put it up. So yeah, man, one more day. We'll be up there. Stay tuned next episode.